need to remember one thing that মানে আমরা যখন বাইরে যাই বা যাই করি না কেন we need to think in English. Like you are just going outside and you are thinking that I need to speak in front of camera, and also you're seeing that মানে অনেকগুলা মানুষ আসা যাওয়া করতেছে. In that case you try to make a video, so how you will overcome your confidence in that moment. মানে আমরা অনেক সময় মনে করি যে আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে এতগুলা মানুষের সামনে কেমনে ভিডিও বানাবো, তাই না? So how you can overcome this situation? Just open your camera, try to speak whatever comes in your mind. মানে মানুষ কি মনে করতেছে সেইটা আপাতত চিন্তা করার দরকার নাই. At least you just start, then you should speak more and more. After few minutes later you will see that your fluency will come and you can easily talk. Actually মানুষ, I mean যারা মানুষ আসা যাওয়া করতেছে ওরা আপনারা নিয়ে চিন্তা করতেছে না, ওরা অগর নিয়ে চিন্তা করতেছে. But your brain, I mean you're just finding afraidness. Why? It's one kind of that I mean আমরা যখন মনে করি যে আসলে মানুষ আমাদেরকে নিয়ে হয়তো জাজ করতেছে, অ্যাকচুয়ালি ব্যাপারটা এরকম না. People, they never judge you what you are doing. People, they are doing their work. They don't have even time to think about you. But we are finding that sometimes we are thinking that actually what happening with me, why I'm doing this, and maybe people, they are thinking about me. That is the main reason. So don't worry, just keep opening your mouth, try to speak more and more. So when you will speak more and more, you will see your fluency will come and you can do it. So thank you everyone. I hope that you will enjoy a lot. Right now I should go outside and try to make another video. Inshallah next time I will come. If you feel good, share with your friends and try to invite all the friends who are really excited to improve their English as a beginner. So you can suggest few friends who actually try to improve their English. Thank you everyone. Best of luck for your English journey. Bye.